Hello, welcome to MarineMax. My name is Quinn. We are here on beautiful Lake Lanier. Today we're going to be walking through our very fresh trade. This is a Boston Whaler 15 Super Sport. It's going to come fully equipped, ready to fish on. So you will have your trolling motor by Minn Kota. You'll have the front cushion package, as well as your bucket seats back here in the back. This customer has option to add the Lowrance digital dash here, so you do have some fish finding and depth finding capabilities. It's going to have a radio system on board with a 12-volt cigarette lighter and then a 60 horsepower Mercury outboard. This is going to be a four-stroke motor. So to prime it, you'll just grab the pump, prime the motor, and it'll be good to go. This boat is ready to be rated up for 6 people. So assuming you have 6 life jackets on board, you are good to go on this. It will have your bimini top as well as your anchor light. This boat does come with the trailer it's sitting on, so we'd love to discuss your interest on this boat and see if this boat or any of the other ones we have for sale is for you. So give MarineMax Georgia a call. Like I said, this boat's here on Lake Lanier.